Let me show you the best payment method for Facebook ads right now. Now, I know that you clicked this video because you are intentional about how to run your Facebook ad like a professional. And my guess is that you already know that unknown to many people or Facebook users, using the wrong Facebook ad payment method or a payment card is one of the reasons why Facebook ad account get banned without you knowing the reason why your ad account even got banned in the first place. It can also affect your ad performance negatively because now Facebook AI algorithm is so sensitive when your ad payments are failing. It most times interprets your account as fake, as spammy, or scammy. And that is exactly what you don't want as a Facebook advertiser. Now, I've been using this particular payment card called PST card for well over 2 years now. And this is the best payment method for Facebook ad and even other social media ads that I have been using for a while. This is not just a multi-purpose credit or debit shopping card. The technology behind PST card is specifically built for running Facebook ad and other social media ads. At least for 2 or more years now, I've been using this card, and many of my followers and clients that I recommend this card to when they come to me, they have been using it consistently, and I don't think anybody has said anything negative about this card for quite a while now. And that is why I am also recommending this card to you. I can boldly tell you that you should give PST card a try if you are looking for the best payment card that is easy, cheap, and very handy to use. Now, after about a year experience, come back to this video and share your thoughts about the card. Now, let me take you to my laptop and show you quickly how to get this card, how to credit or load it so that you can start using it to run your social media ads. And I actually didn't even say that you can actually load this card with your crypto coins, whichever one that you are using. Let me show you how to get this card right now. Okay, so what you want to do is to scroll down to the video description just below this video and click on the PST sign up link there, which you can do for free. Once you do that, it's going to bring you up to this page. And as you can see here, you have different methods by which you can sign up. You can use your Google, you can use Apple, you can use Telegram sign up or the WhatsApp sign up, or you can use any of your email addresses. For me, I'm already on my Gmail address, so I've just continue here. Of course, it's the same thing like you're doing here. So I'll just use that. You can use any other method that you are most comfortable with. And once you do, is simply going to bring you up to the dashboard as you can see here. So now I'm already signed up. It's as simple as that. All right, so as you can see here, everything here is just on 00. So let me just go back to my own original dashboard and then I'm going to show you what you should do. All right, so here is my own dashboard. Okay, so once you're here, of course, the first thing you're going to see here is that if you scroll down, you can see here that PST has quite a number of cards for different purposes. But okay, we want to stay with the aim of this video. We want to create cards that are specifically made for Facebook advertising or for your any other social media advertising. As you can see here, you can use this card to advertise on Google, on TikTok, on Facebook, and any of your social media handles that you're using to promote your business. All right, so here is it. Now, if you come to this left dashboard here and you click on card, it's still going to take you to the same place. And then what you want to do here is just to click on the more detail. And of course, if you want to get your card for your general shopping, you can always do that with this one. So here, I'm going to click on more details. And once I do, it's going to give me the various options that are available on the PST Cash dashboard. As you can see here, you can go for the extra small, for the medium, or the large. And as you can see here, the detail of how it works is just here for you to see. So all you need to do is for you to just go and make your choice depending on your need. So if you go for the extra small here and you click on choose here, you can see here that it's going to ask you to confirm your order. So already I have 69 USDT on this account. So all I need to do is just to pay 10 USDT here, and then this is going to be created for me. But for you, I want to assume that if you are a new account holder, you already don't have any money to make your purchase. So let me take you to where you're going to make your loading. So if I cancel this and I come back to the dashboard here, all I need to do is to scroll all the way back up. As you can see here, I have top up account here. I will just go ahead and click on that. And once I do, you can see here that I can use my barcode to scan, and I can also pay directly using my cryptocurrency. So you can see here we are using the USDT Theta and then the TRC20. So all I need to do here is just to click and copy this particular deposit address here, and then I can go ahead and make my payment from my crypto wallet. Okay, so but then of course, this is USDT. You can also pay with your Bitcoin. And then if you want to use other method, all you need to do is just to click on the other method here. And as you can see here, it's going to display other methods for you to be able to pay by. Okay, so all you need to do is just to copy your link and then you make your payment from your wallet. And of course, if you still don't find your method here, you can always reach out to them. Maybe you want to pay with your fiat currency, you can always reach out to them via live chat or Telegram or even their WhatsApp channel, and then they will tell you how to go about that. Okay, so if I come back and I just click on this address, I take it to my wallet, I make my deposit, and in just a matter of seconds, it's going to reflect on my account balance, as you can see here, and I can come ahead to my card option here, and then I can make my payment. And of course, if you have your balance here, if you still want to make your withdrawal, okay, you can always do that. It's simple. All you need to do is to come to the withdraw portion here, and if you click on withdraw, okay, so you just come to this withdrawal of fund here. Okay, so on account for user PST to the external address of the wallet, you can click any of your option and just click on continue, and then it's going to ask you how much you want to withdraw, and then you can just go ahead and make your withdrawal back into your crypto wallet. Okay, so you can always do that. And of course, if you come to this request here, you can see this is the last payment, or this is the last money I received from this account. As you can see here, it was accepted. Sometimes it's going to take between 7 to 10 days before you can actually make that withdrawal, but then you're going to get your money. As you can see here, I made a withdrawal on the 24th of March. I made a withdrawal on the 16th of October, and I've always been making withdrawal. Okay, as you can see. So this is simply how to go about it. It's as simple as that. So once you have your balance here, you can, like I said, come to your cards here, and then you can just make your purchase, and then your card will be ready, and you can go ahead and use it to run your advertisement on either Facebook or any of your preferred social media account handle. All right, so this is exactly how it is. This card is working, it's cheap, and it's very handy to use. Then please also like this video for me, and if you are a first-time visitor or you are not yet subscribed to this channel and you want to see more videos like this one, why not hit the subscribe button, turn on the alert bell so that YouTube can notify you when I create new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.